Have you heard about crypto money but have wondered what it is and how you could earn money from it? In this video, we're going to show you some of the best ways of making money with cryptocurrency. We'll also make you aware of scams because, in the world of cryptocurrencies, then the chances of you getting caught in a scam is also very high. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you videos on how to make money and change your life. So here are what we think are the top ways to earn money from cryptocurrencies. Buying and holding. One safe way to earn money in crypto land is to buy good cryptocurrencies and hold them until they obtain a fair market share. For example, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB Coin, DOT, Mana, Link, VET, Tezos, WRX Coin, KMD, and Monero are safe buys most of the time. You can buy and hold them for a longer term because they are bound to appreciate against the dollar and the euro. This, of course, is not real investment advice but an example of how to get started in picking the right currencies. If you want opportunities to invest, then here's some ideas. Staking cryptocurrencies. Staking is basically holding crypto coins in a live wallet, hence earning new additional coins as a reward for staking and securing the blockchain network. This is a great way of earning because you get the dual benefit of price appreciation for holding good crypto coins, plus the additional reward as dividends for staking the coins. Some noteworthy coins are Tezos, XTZ, AVA, Komodo, Decred, and Navcoin. Tezos is the most popular and highly funded coin that offers a 6% ROI year on year. However, the best part is, you also earn money when the value of Tezos increases as more users adopt it. There are various ways you can stake Tezos. Using Binance Exchange, here you can purchase Tezos, XTZ, coin using fiat or exchange it for Bitcoin. You can also stake Tezos using Ledger Wallet. Buying and holding cryptocurrencies for dividends. Another smart way of earning through cryptocurrencies is to buy and hold cryptocurrencies that pay you dividends. There are many great cryptocurrencies that pay you a fair share just for holding them, and you are not even required to stake them, especially in a wallet. Some of these cryptocurrencies are BNB, XTZ, ATC, Kava, and Nexo. Become a crypto trader and lead a team. There are many platforms which let you earn cryptocurrencies based on your trading skills. These platforms let others follow your trades, and you will earn an income from the profit of your followers' trade. In 2021, this is something which is catching up, and as long as you have crypto trading skills, you can make money in bear and bull cycle. At the time of this video, Prime XBT and Shrimpy are the platforms which will let you create your own trading tribe and earn an income from their trading profits. Become a liquidity provider. With the growth of DeFi, becoming a liquidity provider is another way to make money from your existing crypto holding. You will be earning a cut in every transaction that happens on a particular decentralized exchange. One of the challenges of becoming a liquidity provider is impermanent loss, which is something you have to be mindful of. However, there are platforms like Bancor which let you provide liquidity without worrying about impermanent loss. You can use any popular DEX to become a liquidity provider. The only thing you need to have is holding of cryptocurrencies. There are 3 advantages of providing liquidity: rewards in the form of platform token, APR, or transaction fees that you would get when someone uses the platform for decentralized exchange, and appreciation of price over time. Masternodes. Running masternodes of cryptocurrencies to earn smart passive income is also one way of earning in the cryptosphere. A masternode is simply a cryptocurrency full node or computer wallet that keeps the full copy of the blockchain in real time. Just like you have Bitcoin full nodes, it is always up and running to perform certain tasks. Different cryptocurrency networks pay the masternode owners. However, for running a masternode, you must have a minimum number of coins to get started. The minimum amount to get started with a masternode is different for all the cryptocurrencies, but it is usually in the range of 1,000 to 25,000 coins. Microtasks for cryptocurrencies. If you have extra time on your hands, you can do some microtasks for somebody or some service and earn cryptocurrencies in exchange. These microtasks can be something like downloading new apps for testing, watching videos, or doing online surveys. Some services that provide you such microtasks are Bitchero, Coinbucks. These services pay you in different coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin. Day trading cryptocurrencies. If you understand and are good at technical charting at various intervals in the day, this method of earning is for you. You can day trade different cryptocurrencies on various exchanges such as BINANCE, Bybit, and BitMEX. The idea is simple: buy low and sell high when your target is reached. If you don't know how to do this, you can use a platform like Stacked which automate the trading for you. This method works very well for a technical charting person because crypto, being a volatile market, can fluctuate 25% in a day depending on the choices you make. Work for cryptocurrencies. This is an apt way of earning through cryptocurrencies. If you are a developer or a tester, a writer or a designer, you can start earning in cryptocurrencies right away by exchanging your services for it. There are numerous platforms and websites that offer you bitcoins in exchange for your service. Some of these are Cointoply, Jobs for Bitcoins, Exp Freelancer, CoinWorker, Angle Company, and 21.co. This way you not only earn cryptocurrencies but also benefit from the price appreciation that cryptocurrencies have witnessing over the past few years. Accept cryptocurrencies if you are a merchant. Another way to earn cryptos is accepting them in exchange for your products or services if you are a merchant. As a merchant, you have access to many cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin payment processors that can help you in accepting cryptocurrencies. Even online businesses owners and e-commerce websites can adopt this. Cryptocurrency arbitrage. The cryptocurrency market is a free market that is beyond the government's control, which is why we have a lot of price differences across different exchanges and also the volatility. Another way of earning in the cryptosphere is to buy a certain cryptocurrency from one exchange which is being sold on a lower price compared to another exchange, thereby creating an opportunity to buy low and sell high on another exchange to earn a good cut in between. This is called arbitrage. CryptoHopper is one such crypto trading bots that teach you and let you execute arbitrage trading. You will usually find 5% to 40% of spread if you know how to make use of it. Exchanges like Bittrex and Poloniex provide such opportunities more often. Blogging on cryptocurrency websites. You can earn money by blogging and writing on websites that pay you in cryptocurrencies if your content is liked by the readers. If you already know that your content is valuable, you can even directly monetize your content for cryptocurrencies for giving full access of content to the respective reader. Cryptocurrency faucets. Another easy way to start earning quick bitcoins is through cryptocurrency and Bitcoin faucets. A Bitcoin faucet is a reward system, in the form of a website or app, that dispenses rewards in the form of a Satoshi, which is 1/100th of a millionth Bitcoin, for visitors to claim in exchange for completing a CAPTCHA or task as described by the website. There are also faucets that dispense alternative cryptocurrencies. These faucets have you do menial tasks such as solving CAPTCHAs, playing games, clicking on ads, or watching videos. For each task you do, you earn a small amount of Bitcoin. Lending cryptocurrencies. If you already have Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can put your money to work and earn some profit on it by lending it out. There are many peer-to-peer Bitcoin lending platforms that allow you to do this while giving you a decent 2% to 8% return on your investment in the form of Bitcoins. Mining cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency mining is another good way to make money in the cryptosphere. This option, however, does not seem too lucrative yet. But it doesn't mean that this method doesn't work. If you are ready to make initial investments for buying mining equipment like ASIC and GPUs plus the additional supporting hardware. Also, to successfully mine and earn from cryptocurrencies, you should have access to cheap electricity to run this mining equipment along with the technical know-how of how to take care of the software and hardware mining stuff. These days mining has become a very competitive task that requires a good initial investment to start with. As we said at the beginning, there are a lot of scams out there that promise you high returns. Do background checks and go on recommendations. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please leave comments below and let us know what other topics you'd like to see. Remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.